here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to go to see Diwali decorations in Burjuman Mall. So I'm going to take you guys with me. This here is a shoe shop and the shoes on display are on the ceiling. Isn't this a very interesting way of displaying shoes? These are the Diwali decorations I was talking about. It's very beautiful and very colorful. And this is only the view from the top. These bangles are being given away for free to all the visitors since it's almost Diwali. Here my mom is choosing bangles for me. Within this area, there are many podiums for photo shoots. And this is one of them. Now we've arrived at Center Point and we're going to Home Box there. There are many Diwali decoration items for sale here. This is a glimpse of a few items in lifestyle shop. So I'm heading home, and as you can see, there are many beautiful Diwali lightings put up on the buildings. And stay tuned on my channel because I'm gonna post more Diwali videos this week. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like and share my videos with your friends and families. And please subscribe too. And bye!